Experience the epitome of luxury living and the convenience of being in the heart at Vita Student Lawrence Street. This stylish student housing in York gets you exactly what you need with a range of private studios, en-suites, and shared apartments to choose from. Each room is thoughtfully furnished, offering a cozy bed, spacious wardrobe, study desk, and ample storage for all your personal belongings. Along with great apartments, the property also offers grab-and-go breakfast, a smart TV in each apartment, a fully equipped gym, and a vibrant common room. Get into a bus to the University of York in just 10 minutes. If you're studying at York St. John University, you can drive to class in 7 minutes. And when you want to travel further afield, York Station is a 20-minute bus ride away. Get together with your friends at Rose and Crown Bar, your perfect escape from the monotonous life of books. Also, you're just a 15-minute walk from the Shambles, the city's oldest and most famous street, which is lined up with a collection of exclusive shops and cafes. Why go somewhere else when your dream stays right here? Head to amberstudent.com and grab the keys to your new home.